Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So this video is not going to be a nail video. It's going to be me reupholstering some dining chairs I got off of Facebook Marketplace for $35. So let me show you. This is what it looks like. Very dirty and dingy. So we're gonna reupholster these with this fabric I got at JOANNS. I think I got 1.5 yards. Hopefully that's enough for all the chairs, and it was on sale for $8. So we'll see how this goes, and I'll film the process and we'll see how they turn out. So stay tuned. All right, I think that's close enough. So get that out the way. Got my screwdriver. We're gonna be taking out all the staples. Now that I took that off, I'm looking at this. This also has staples, and I don't think I want to remove this. So we're just gonna put the thing on top of it and then put this back on, because it's already looking like a very tedious process. Okay. Did it do it? That was it. That was so easy. Wow. All right. All right. I think that's better now. Great. That's what it's gonna look like. Pretty neat. So this is what the chair looks like now. Let me go from the side. That's what it looks like. And not the best, but it works. So that was it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.